Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made deconstructed shrimp tacos on a wood-burning stove. This meal is relatively easy to prepare and it tastes great. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more outdoor-related content. Alright, let's get to cooking. I suggest starting the day before so the toppings have time to marinate. Start by coarsely chopping 1/2 of a cucumber. Then you chop your carrots. These toppings work great for salads, and I also like to use them on my sandwiches. I suggest letting these toppings sit for a few days. It allows for the flavors to really come together. Next, you want to chop a tomato. Then you chop a 1/4 of an onion. Add a few pinches of pepper, a few pinches of salt, and a couple teaspoons of olive oil. Let it sit overnight and serve the next day. Chop 1 cup of spinach, and 1 cup of romaine lettuce. Toss them together and then add your toppings. I then added shredded mozzarella cheese and garlic butter croutons. I've had a lot of fun with this wood-burning stove. It's been a pleasure to cook on it every night. Get this stove burning really hot and heat up your cast iron as much as you can before you add the shrimp. Cook the shrimp on high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the shrimp start to turn pink, you know they're about done. Plate it up and get ready to enjoy your meal. I cannot wait to dig in. Oh yeah. That shrimp is just perfectly cooked. Plenty of salt in the shrimp. These subtle hints of flavor, so I got carrots and cucumber in there for that fresh, kind of sweet, subdued taste. The cheese, the lettuce and spinach, corn tortilla to hold it all together. This is just perfect. The crunchiness of the crouton, it's a good texture it adds. The tomatoes, perfectly ripe. The secret to marrying all these fruits and vegetables is letting the carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions sit. The carrots kind of soften up a little bit, and everything just comes together. You put that on top of a fresh cut salad with some cheese, you're golden. Man, I'm impressing myself out here. The salt and pepper I put on the toppings yesterday really brings out the flavor. I am so grateful to be able to do this. Be able to cook great food, have a nice shelter, have the time to dedicate to this channel. That was a great meal. I'm so happy right now I'm living my dream. Being out here in this tent, cooking on the stove, camping out in such a beautiful place with my best friend Hudson, my dog. I couldn't ask for anything more. So we'll wrap up the video here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And keep chasing your dream. Later.